Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another big challenge from this 2014 BMW X5. As I was trying to change for this client the oil change, and then the oil drain plug is not coming out. It's making a free turn either left or right. When you try to loosen up or tighten up the screw, it's just turn freely. So I did like research on the Google. It seems like a lot of BMW owners are having same problem or issues. So my client bought this used. So maybe that's why the owner tried to get rid of it. He didn't know until today when I tried to change the oil for him. So I Googled it, and there's this special fix. You could use like a vice grip and then try to get it out. I'm pretty sure this is the only way. Somehow the drain plug got stuck in the drain pan. So hopefully when I'm trying to use the vice grip to grab it and then pull out, so I have an leverage to catch the threading, so I could unscrew it out all the way. So let's go ahead and do this, and hopefully it's gonna be successful. Yeah, so let's try to give you guys take a look at this car real quick. Yes, plastic dip on the ram. And it has a blackout tint. So here's the drain plug, and then we try to use a 17 millimeter socket, and then it just keep on loose turn. It doesn't come out or doesn't even go in at all. So I'm gonna use a vice grip to try to get this out. So we might have to check out the car a little bit higher because I don't have any room at all. Alright, so I'm going to try to turn. So it's a loose turn. But when I try to pull it out, it's not pulling out anything. So this is some bad design here. Shoot.